Hello YouTube. Today we will discuss about which editor to use or which editor is best to code HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript and PHP. Firstly, Notepad. Notepad is the inbuilt editor in Windows. It's a basic text editor you can use to write codes and save files with dot extension. Now we will look on to Notepad++. Notepad++ is like a better version of Notepad. Here, font colors or programming is clearly visible while you are coding. A notable information in this is font colors to be displayed while coding means you need to save file and then start coding. Now we will look on to gedit in Linux. Gedit in Linux is an inbuilt editor of Linux. Same like Notepad, you can write codes and save files with dot extension. Now we will look on to Visual Studio. Visual Studio is one of the best editor all over the world. In Visual Studio, you need to generate code. The Visual Studio will automatically generate code while you are typing. Visual Studio has a terminal in it where you can compile your program with the commands. Visual Studio also can be used to run PHP and Node.js servers. Visual Studio can also be used to code and compile mean and merge stack applications. The last one, Sublime Text. Sublime Text is like the Visual Studio, but in Sublime Text you can't compile the programs. Same like the Visual Studio, you need to save file and then start coding so that your font colors will be visible while coding. Personally, I recommend you is the Visual Studio. Personally, I use the Visual Studio editor to code HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript and mean and merge stack applications. I recommend you to use Visual Studio. In Visual Studio, you can compile and run the programs. That's it for this video. If this video is informative, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and bell button. Thank you.